Okay, when you're at a red light, you want to, I mean, I'm exaggerating right now, but you want to give a lot of space, or at least enough space for you to maneuver around another car, and also to allow other cars to do the same. There are sometimes an emergency may arise, and someone needs to get out of the way or needs to move their car or whatnot, some emergency. And even stuff happens. You never know. I mean, of course, it's a very rare occurrence for something to happen, but something can always occur, and you have to be give people space, give yourself space to be able to move around and get out of the way. So always do that. It's no, you're not losing any time. Everyone has to wait for the red light. So this issue of giving space is really very important for safety. Things could be happening, and there just could be mayhem going on, and God forbid you get stuck because you're too close to the car in front of you, and too close, and someone behind you is too close to you. So you want to give yourself enough room so that even if someone is enjoying themselves smelling your butt, you can still move ahead a little bit and move out of the lane, whatever. So that's what you want to do. It's intelligent driving, and stopping at a red light. Do it intelligently. Give yourself options and give everyone else options. So that's very important for you to do. And that's it for this one. Take care.